Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Car Chronicles. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to apply for the Bank of America's Travel Reward credit card. To apply for the credit card of Bank of America's Travel Reward credit card, you just have to follow the steps. First thing, open up a browser. On the web address bar, type in www.bankofamerica.com/credit card/products travel reward credit card. That's gonna take you to the official page, and here to begin with the procedure, click on Apply Now. As you press the apply now button, it's going to take you to this section where you can go ahead and read all of the benefits, offers and all that, and scroll down a bit and you have to go through the 4 steps in order to apply for the credit card. So first of all, you need to provide in your personal information, your contact details, all of that. Moving on to the next step, or the second step, you have to verify your contact info. So when you're done verifying your account, on the next step, you'll have the terms and condition, your review all of that, and if you're sure about it, then go ahead and confirm on the 4th step, and then you'll have successfully applied for Bank of America's Travel Reward credit card. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.